in the RSS. It's obvious to me. In fact, it's obvious to most people that these people have no understanding of India. Right? Why? Because somebody who cannot connect with India as it is today cannot understand India. To understand India, you can't understand India 3,000 years ago. You have to understand it today, right now. And to understand it today, the only way to understand it today is if you understand its expression. These people, please watch them. Please watch them. I'll show you. Bhaiya, 3-4 of you come here. Abhi. Just come. Just stand like this. Just stand next to him. Just stand next to him. Just come. Stand here. Now do that RSS salute. That one. How do you do it? Just do it. Just do it. Just do the RSS salute. See, they're not taking the order. Right? But this is what that structure looks like. This is what the RSS looks like mentally, conceptually. Now let me show you the Congress. Let me show you. No, they are now, suddenly they became the Congress. See? So these people, what have they done? What is the magic trick? The RSS has been utilized, has been captured and been utilized by large capital. Okay? Please understand, large capital, Mr. Ambani, Mr. Adani, these guys have captured the RSS. The RSS ceased to exist long ago. What was the RSS? The RSS was the expression of the small Indian businessman. Goldsmith, jeweler, Banya, that was the RSS. That died. It's gone. Today the RSS is an instrument of Mr. Adani. That's all it is. And they stand there with their lathis and all making a fool of themselves. हिंदी में बोलूं, मेरा कहना है आरएसएस क्या था? आरएसएस जो छोटा बिजनेसमैन था, मैंने स्टडी किया बात, जो छोटे छोटे बिजनेस वाले थे, मिठाई की दुकान चलाते थे, सोनार थे, लोहार थे, इनकी फोर्स थी. उनको तो उन्होंने धोखा दे दिया, मार दिया. वो तो सब मर गए. आरएसएस ने डीमोनेटाइजेशन कर दिया, जीएसटी कर दी और अपने ही लोगों को धोखा दे दिया, खत्म कर दिया. उसके बाद क्या हुआ? शुरुआत कैसे हुई? शुरुआत वाजपेयी जी के टाइम में प्रमोद महाजन ने की. कैपिटल इंजेक्शन को आरएसएस के अंदर उसने डाला, पहला फर्स्ट स्टेप. और सेकंड स्टेप नरेंद्र मोदी. फाइनल कॉर्पोरेटाइजेशन ऑफ आरएसएस और नरेंद्र मोदी. इट्स ऑब्वियस. आरएसएस एज ओरिजिनल फोर्स इज डेड. वी आर नॉट फाइटिंग. दे फिनिश. दे गॉन. नाउ आरएसएस इज ए इंस्ट्रूमेंट ऑफ लार्ज कैपिटल. They are servants of Mr. Adani, just like Mr. Modi is servant of Mr. Adani. Now, what is our problem? Our problem, which has now to a great extent been resolved, that my friends in the media have been captured by them. It's a big problem, because they will come and tell me, sir, we don't like what is happening. But we have to, they tell me, I'm telling you, we have to feed our children. हमें भी नौकरी करनी है. मेरे मतलब वो प्राइम मिनिस्टर हाउस के सामने पुलिस वाला है, मेरे कान में विस्पर कर रहे हैं, भैया इनको हटाइए, आप यहां से इनको हटाइए. वो मुझे हटा रहा है और मेरे कान में कह रहा है, भैया इनको हटाओ. मैंने कहा ये क्या बात कर रहे हो? नहीं, हमारी नौकरी है, हमें काम करना है. अंडरस्टैंड. इनका भी एक्सप्रेशन मैं समझता हूं कि आपको अपने बच्चों की स्कूलिंग करानी है,